Welcome back to another edition of Finding Pizza. We are here live on location at the Rolling Stone.
Welcome to another edition of Finding Pizza, where we are here live on location in Portland, Connecticut at the Portland Marina. Over here at Rolling Stone. Order up some pizzas, pepperoni and sausage. Give it a shot, and we'll see how it goes.
If you're wondering where the other two members are,
Back over there behind us.
yeah,
So,
we just got a table, but we wanted to keep right here. It's a great spot.
yeah, the view is really nice, and so far it's a cool little spot. It's a beautiful day out, and I'm excited to try this pizza.
Me too.
All right. So we got our pizza, and now we're gonna give it a shot. Came out super hot.
Looks really good. The crust is nice. There's enough sauce,
Yeah.
we like right now.
Sauce is fresh. Pepperonis are delicious.
I like the sauce a lot.
Yeah, it's a wood fire pizza.
What do you think, Logan?
I like it a lot. I like it. I think it's pretty good. The pepperoni feels similar to Pepe's. I kind of getting that same taste, except theirs has more spice, which is kind of delicate on me. And I actually like how the pepperoni and how it is. It's just a little bit too droopy for me. Maybe it's because it just came out.
Yeah,
I don't know.
It's because it's hot.
it's really good.
I think for me, I would rate this one. I think I would rate it like an 8.5.
Wow, an 8.5.
Tell that it's made with a lot of love.
Yeah,
It's made by people that really
it's a
enjoy
thin,
making pizza.
thin crust. Pretty good dough. That's saying. It's probably like a 7-8 for me.
How about you?
Just let it be. Let the B be.
Sorry, guys. Anyways. This is definitely a 7.5 for me.
So we're still here, just hanging out at the marina, enjoying the sunset, and just finished talking to the owners of the Rolling Stone. Just a little backstory. They used to own a restaurant downtown Hartford where they cooked pizzas. The owners wanted to get out of the restaurant business as far as like being actually physically in a restaurant. So they started this, Rolling Stone food truck sort of trailer. Just something they really enjoy. They like being outdoors and just enjoying the view of the water and the marina. They don't move it, and it just stays put. And it's just a long dream that they wanted to do. So, but yeah, just another edition of Finding Pizza. Anybody else got anything?
Just Lennox.
Lennox got a lot to say. You want to add anything, Lon? What should the people do?
Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to drop a notification.
How about merch?
And if you guys really want, you can go pick up a Finding Pizza t-shirt at our merch store.
Yeah.
Online only for specific time.
Lennox got a whole bunch to say.
Oh, he does.
He's a little happy.